Hello guys, I'm Yadagiri Reddy and welcome to the series of Java for Absolute Beginners. In this series, I'm going to cover each and every topic of core Java with the theoretical as well as practical knowledge. So if you want to learn about anything, first we should know the basics of it, right? Either it is a programming language or anything, we should know the basics of it. So for example, if you want to drive a car, you should know where the steering is and where the clutch and accelerator and brake is there and where we can change the gears and how to change the gears. Everything we should know, right? So these are the basics actually. So without learning the basics, if you directly jump into the course, you will not understand anything. Okay? So the basics are very much important. So here we start with the basics, then slowly we will progress into the programming. Okay? So this is the first video in this Java series. So in this video, we will discuss about what is Java and who invented the Java and what are the technologies available in Java, everything. Okay. So first thing first, what is Java? Java is a programming language developed by James Gosling along with few other team members like Mike and Patrick. So they started this project in the year of 1991 June, but they released the first version of Java in the year of 1996. From Sun Microsystems company. So that means they took around 5 years for the development of first version of Java, right? So in the starting, this name was not actually a Java. They named it as Oak because James Gosling has a oak tree outside of his office. So without much thinking, they just named this product as an Oak. But later they realized that there is already a company with that name, Oak, like Oak Technologies or something. So you cannot have the same name for the product and the company, right? So then they started thinking about renaming the project. So they all gathered in one meeting and everybody started suggesting the names. But James Gosling was not happy about those names. And he was so tired and he thought he can grab a cup of coffee and think about it. So while having the coffee, he came up with the name Java. So basically Java is a coffee bean which is available in Indonesia. So with this Java bean, they used to make a espresso kind of coffee. So which is very hot and very good in flavor and taste. So then James Gosling thought this name was good and we can suggest this name. Then he suggested that name to the entire team in the meeting and they all satisfied with the name. So they finally renamed this Oak product into Java. So that is how this Java name came into the picture actually. Okay. And the next one is Java technologies. So in Java, we have around 3 technologies. Those are Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. Java SE means Java Standard Edition. So in this Java Standard Edition, we have all kinds of APIs like collections or whatever you think. So those all are available in Java Standard Edition. So apart from that, we also have Java Swings and applets. So those were used for creating the desktop applications. Okay. So basically this Java SE is mostly of a programming language. I mean the programming concepts basically. Okay. So whatever we are saying core Java nowadays, that is a part of Java SE. Okay. The core of the Java. Then the next one is Java Enterprise Edition. So in this Java Enterprise Edition, they have so many frameworks for creating web enterprise applications. So they use this Java Enterprise Edition for creating the web applications. And the last one is Java Micro Edition. So this Java Micro Edition is used for mobile applications and there are some things like TV remote and all, right? So in those also we use the Java Micro Edition only. And the last one is Java Advantages. So here I have listed few advantages of Java and there are so many other advantages also. But I have listed only the major advantages here. Okay. So the first one is simple. Java is very easy to read and very easy to write. So if any programmer writes the Java code and the other programmer can easily understand that code. So that is about simple. And the next one is object oriented. So in the object oriented, we have around 4 principles: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. So Java satisfies all of those 4 principles. Okay. So it is an object oriented programming language. And the next one is platform independent. So here platform is nothing but a operating system. So we have so many operating systems, right? Windows, Mac and Linux and Solaris. Like that we have so many operating systems. So here platform independent means if you write the program in one platform, that means in one operating system, you can run the same program in any other operating system. Okay. So that is why Java has a code that write once and run anywhere. So by keeping this code in the mind, they designed this language. And the next one is distributed. So using this Java, you can create the distributed applications. Distributed in the sense like over the internet, you can connect multiple systems and you can transfer the files and you can call the methods and everything. You can call something from one system to other system. Like that, you can create the distributed systems with Java. Okay. And the next one is secure. So basically in Java, we are not going to use any pointers concept. So if you are coming from a C or C++ background, you might have heard about this pointers concept, right? So that pointers concept is completely removed in the Java. So that makes the Java more secure. And the last one is robust. So in this Java, the compilers are very smart. They can identify the errors, and there is also a exception handling concept which takes care of these exceptions and errors. And also there is a concept of garbage collection. Okay. So that garbage collection is very much useful. If you are coming from C background, in the C, if you want to delete some memory, right? If you want to free some memory, we have to explicitly mention it, right? But in the Java, there is no need of that. There is an automatic garbage collection. So if there is an unused objects in the Java, those are collected by the garbage collector. Okay. So we will discuss about those things very much in detail in the upcoming videos. So these are the advantages of Java. So when there is an advantage, there will be a disadvantages also, right? But Java has very less disadvantages, and there is one of the most important one is Java has a poor UI. So using Java, you cannot create a rich looking applications. The functionality wise, you can create a very rich applications, but the UI wise, it will not look that great. Okay. So Java is lacking in the UI part. So that is about the disadvantage, guys. There are some other disadvantages like performance and all, but those are very, very minor disadvantages because over the versions, the Java has improved its performance very much. So you cannot consider this performance as a disadvantage. Okay. So yeah, that is about the basics of Java, guys. So in my next video, we will discuss about how we can download and install the Java in our system. Okay. I hope you understand this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.